The richest people in the world today, in the 21st century today, they are 75% entrepreneur. They are business people. They are salesperson. They are product producer. They are service giver. They are doing something either they are buying or they are selling. Statistically backed, the 75% of the richest people today, the like of Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, Makuba, mention them. They are 75% entrepreneurs. So they do something on a daily basis that people need. They provide value for people in exchange of their money. And that is how you get rich. You get rich by selling something. One of the valuable skills today that I will be talking about in my next video is writing, selling, marketing. If you can do that thing very well, you become rich. That is what I'm doing now. 75% of the richest people in the world, they are entrepreneurs. Several of them are dropouts. Out of this 75%, about 62% are dropouts. Literally, they drop out from higher institution. Of course, they have college education, they have basic education, primary education, as they call it in our language here in Nigeria. They have primary and secondary education. 50% are investors. 15% of them, they are investors, literal investors. And now they make a lot of money by investing. It comes with a lot of risk. But you know, the greater the risk, the greater the profits. 7% are inherited wealth. Don't forget, 75% are entrepreneurs. 15% are investors. 7% of the people that are rich today in the world, the richest people in the world today, are inheriting wealth. So 7% of them, tiny number of them, are just the people that inherit their wealth from their family, the parents, and all that. I will show you where I'm going. But before then, like, subscribe. So 7% of these individuals are inherit wealth. They not work for it, they not invest any money, they just inherit the wealth from their family. 3% are the people who struggle, the likes of Cristiano Ronaldo, Messi. They are just tiny numbers of individuals who made it to that place. Out of 1 million plus, hundreds of millions people in sport, it's only 3% that make it to the top. And these are the 3% that make 100% the wealthiest person in the world, which is 1% of the world wealthiest individuals. 75% of the richest people in the world today are business person. They are entrepreneurs. 15% of them are investors. 7% of them are inherit wealth, which is a big number anyway. 3% of them are sportsmen, sportswomen, and people in different entertainment industry across the world. So 75 plus 15, that's 90. 90 plus 7, that's 97. 97 plus 3, that's 100. These 100 individuals are very tiny numbers of individuals in the world today that make the 1% of the richest people in the world today. Do you know that you can become the 75% of them who is a business owner? The only leverage you have in the world today is social media. So you can meet the richest people on earth, online, on Twitter, on LinkedIn. I created a profile for myself on LinkedIn, and this profile make me about $10 on a monthly basis, because I start last year. I just post consistently, and it's making me about $10. LinkedIn is making me $10. If I put more energy, then I will earn more. Twitter is like that, on Instagram like that, on YouTube. I'm posting. I'm trying to educate you to see that anyone in the world can be rich. I hope you know that the money is online now. The real wealth is not oil again. Attention is the currency of 21st century. If you know this, you know peace. If you know this, you have enough wisdom that others don't. Because you are watching today, because I was able to catch your attention. And I'm giving you a valuable thing to learn. So like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. See you in the next one.